What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some homemade French fries, because you know what? First of all, with this economy, buddy, you want a French fry, you got to go out and get yourself a French fry. You best damn well get a banknote, because let me tell you, like a large fry is something like $7, and you sit in the drive-thru and it's all cold and nasty and just not good. Wouldn't you rather have some fresh, homemade fries there, Stone Cold?
Hell yeah!
You knew that's what he was going to say. So, we're going to make these fries today. And if you're going to make fries, you know what you got to have, big dummy, you old dummy. You got to have that papas fritas to make this stuff. You got to have potatoes. And we got some just regular old russet potatoes today. I guess you could use the gold or the red, but to me, this is really the way to go because it's got the right size. You know what I'm talking about, ladies? So, let's go ahead and get our potatoes. I'm going to wash them off, but I'm not going to take the skin off because I love that extra texture. And if you want to peel the skin off, you go ahead. But you know me, buddy. I ain't got time for that shit. I got a list of stuff to do longer than an ancient scroll. So, go ahead and get your potato washed off. Cut that sucker in half, and then I want you to cut it up into small fry-sized pieces. There again, you can make it as big or as little as you like. But to me, if you're going to make fries, you might as well make fries and not potato wedges there, buddy. So, get that done, and you're saying to yourself, like, oh, don't you want to put that to water, give it an ice bath like I saw on Food Network? Well, shit, I ain't going to do all that because I really ain't got time for that shit. But I will give it a nice rinse, if you know what I mean. Put it in there and wash it up just so you don't have any of that nasty because it did come out the dirt. So, go ahead and get our potatoes cut up. Let's put some oil in the pan. Let's get the show on the road. Got too much to do to be talking like this. So, get our oil in there, get it hot and going. Hot and ready, not Little Caesars, little good. So, put that in there, dump your potatoes in the oil and let them fry. Now, not too long. Don't be getting in there watching damn, what was I watching yesterday? Celebrity Ghost Mysteries or whatever that shit is. Man, I need to put that away. So, go ahead and get your potatoes, flip them around. And you're saying seasoning, like I was seasoning, you get the season. On this, man, just salt. That's all you need. And not much either, just a little bit. Because you over-season, you're going to ruin the damn thing. You'll have too much going on. You want to really enjoy the flavor of the potato. Now, once it looks good and golden brown, you're ready to go to town. That's all you need to do. See how easy it was for you. Now, it's time for a sight and a big bite of this homemade French fry tonight, sir. I'm about to have that first bite for my damn self. Now, I'm looking around here and you're saying to yourself, like, oh, you're looking like you're being awful picky. Well, no, there's scraps on the bottom of this damn thing because they were so good, they're all gone. So, it won't be the first bite, but it's going to be just like the first time, like our first lovely kiss over here on this potato. You see? It's the size that really doesn't matter. Because you get fries sometimes. It's like somebody gave you a roofing nail, man. I don't know, I like the crunch, but you need that little potato fluffiness in the middle, or else who were kidding now? So, hope you wasn't kidding, and I'm glad you wasn't about stopping by and watching this episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Now, you make sure to like, subscribe, follow me on social media, and subscribe to that Patreon for exclusive content down below. So, you'll excuse me, I'm going to go down below and eat the rest of these fries. And then I got to go. So, I love you. I'll see you next time.